That's the best of America, when we stand up to those that are in our government, are in positions of authority, who are trying to take from the dispossessed, from the most powerless in our country. We call this bill a betrayal, and Tim said it correctly, because to us this is a betrayal of our fundamental responsibility as public servants. And why this bill feels like a betrayal is because, as written, it makes life infinitely harder for the very people that we are supposed to be fighting hardest for. For what? In order to enrich at disgusting new levels the folks who life has treated pretty well, the people at the very, very top of our income pyramid. Upwards of 40% of all American households, if this bill is implemented, will be poorer because of it. Well, the very rich and the very affluent will be much richer. The very richest families in this country will get an average $270,000 tax cut because of this bill. Most families in this country can't imagine what it's like to live on $270,000 for a year, and yet that's the new amount of money that will be coming into families at the toppest end of our income pyramid. So this feels like a betrayal of our responsibility, which is why we're using these spotlight hearings to just uncover and unpack what the real world impact is on families, to take one last shot at convincing our Republican colleagues to, at the very least, make changes so that lives are spared. And let's just be honest, when you're talking about almost $1 trillion in Medicaid cuts, when you're talking about throwing upwards of 16 million people off of their health care, you are talking about life and death stakes.